Hello, welcome to Appliance Master Live. I'm Bill, and today we have a Samsung top-load washer, which is a fairly common machine, and this one happens to have a fairly common problem. It won't drain. Just recently, a friend of mine was asking, he had a Samsung at home that wouldn't drain, and should he buy a new one? Well, my answer is these start at around $700, and you could easily spend over $1,000. Delivery, installation, sales tax, and your time, that all adds up. So the problem with this machine appears to be, we just got into it, but it appears like the drain pump is just clogged, fairly common. It could be clogged with articles of clothing or any number of things. If you come back later, I'm going to take some pictures and show you what we pulled out of the pump, but I'm sure that's the extent of the damage. So in this case, absolutely worth having Appliance Master take a look at it. And again, APPLIANCEMASTER.com if you have any questions, want to talk about your particular situation, and hopefully we'll see you next week and on Appliance Master Live. Thank you.